Hello students, it is Thursday, March 25, 2021. We are going to continue with our math lesson today. Now, we've been doing the topic, think addition to subtract. Now the cursor is moving on to the screen now. Now boys and girls, here's our title again, okay? It says math, think addition to subtract. Now boys and girls, what is this called? What was this called? A number line. Good job. Remember, a number line helps us determine how many objects we put in here, okay? In this white rectangle. Now, we have two equations down here. One is addition and one is subtraction, okay? Remember, whatever number we get here, we're going to insert that number back in here. And that's what we call think addition to subtract. Remember, the first thing we start off with is this number. What number is this? 5. Good job. So right off the bat, you know 5 has got to go here. This addition equation has to equal 5. Now, we look here at this number now, which is what? What is this number? 4. And look, there are 4 backpacks already in this rectangle. These 4 backpacks represent that number 4. We do not know how many backpacks we need to put in here because we need to use this number line to help us. Now, we look here at this first number, which is what? 4. Now we're going to find 4 on the number line. Let's look for 4. Right here is number 4, so this is the number we are going to start with. What number are we going to end at? What number are we going to stop at? 5. Good job. So you're going to find 5 now, okay? Let's come this way. Right here is 5. So boys and girls, you're going to start at 4 and we're going to stop at 5 because 5 is here, okay? Now, we are going to count by ones. Repeat after me. Say, I am going to count by ones. Now, let's count it together. We're going to start at 4. We're going to stop at 5. Here we go. Count with me. 1. Let's do it again. Ready? We're going to stop at 5. 1. So boys and girls, how many backpacks do I put in here? 1. Good job. Because according to that number line, only 1 backpack goes in here. Now since we have 1 backpack here, what number goes here? 1. So let's insert 1 here and look at our addition equation is complete. Repeat after me. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Your turn to read it. Ready? Go. Good job. So now we come here to our subtraction equation. Boys and girls, what number is missing here? Good job. 1. So all we're going to do is insert 1 back into our subtraction equation. Read this with me. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Let's read it again. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Okay? So, if you are still lost on this subtraction equation, just look up here at this white rectangle. There's only 1 backpack in here, so therefore 1 goes in here also. Okay? Now, good job. Let's come to another slide, okay? Now, here is the same thing, okay? We look here at this number, which is 3. 3 is here, so you know this addition equation has got to equal 3. Then you're going to look here. What number is this? 1. Good job. And look, there's already one girl in this rectangle, okay? This one girl represents number 1. We do not know how many girls go in this white rectangle because we need to use this number line to help us, okay? Now, we look here at this number. What number is this again? 1. So let's go up here to the number line. Let's find 1. Right here, look, here is number 1. So we are going to start with this number. Let's look to see what number we are going to stop at. What number is this? 3. Good job. So let's come back here at 1 because we know this is the number we are going to start with. Let's find 3 now. Right here, this is number 3. Now, we're going to start here. We're going to stop at 3. Say, I am going to count by ones. Okay, we're going to start here at 1. We're going to stop at 3, okay? Count with me. 1, 2. Okay, let's do it again. One more time. Let's count. 1, 2. So boys and girls, how many girls do we have to put in this white rectangle? 2. Good job. So let's get 2 girls in here in this rectangle. Now, we got 2 girls in the rectangle now here in the white. What number goes here now? 2. Good job. So let's insert 2 here. So we have completed our addition equation. Read it with me. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Let's read it again. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now let's come to our subtraction equation, okay? What number is missing here? Good job, 2. So let's insert 2 here. Remember, whatever number is here, you're going to insert that as your answer now. Let's read the equation. Repeat after me. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Let's read it again. 3 minus 1 equals 2. And remember, boys and girls, if you get confused right here, you're going to look up here again. You're just going to count these girls that are in the white rectangle. 1, 2. And that goes in here into your answer also, okay? Now, let's come here to this next example, this slide, okay? Same thing. You're going to look at this number first. What number is this? 9. Good job. So you know 9 has to be the answer for the addition equation, okay? Then you're going to look here at this number. What number is this? 4. Good job. And look, there are 4 packs of colored pencils already here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is already here for you. Now, we do not know what number goes here because we need to use the number line to help us, okay? Now, when we find the answer, we're going to insert the number of colored pencils in this white rectangle. Now, what number is this again? So let's look for 4 on our number line. Let's look for number 4. Right here is number 4, okay? So this is where we're going to start at. What number are we going to stop at? 9. So let's come back up here to 4 because we know this is the number we're going to start at. Let's find number 9. Right here is number 9, okay? So this is the number we are going to stop at. So let's come back to 4. Repeat after me. Say, I am going to count by ones. Okay? Remember, we're going to count by ones all the way to 9 because that is the number we need to stop at, okay? And that's going to tell us how many colored pencils we need to put here, okay? Let's start. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Let's count it again. Okay, let's practice this again. Count by ones. Ready? Go. Good job. So boys and girls, how many colored pencils do we need to put in here? 5. Good job. So let's get 5 packs of colored pencils into the white rectangle, okay? We have 2 now. We need 5. Here's 3. Here's 4. And here's 5. Now look at that, boys and girls. Now that we have this complete, what number do we need to put here? 5. Good job, because we have 5 packs of colored pencils there. Okay, remember we have to use that number line. So our addition equation is complete. Read it with me. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Let's read it again. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Now let's come here to our subtraction equation. What number goes here? 5. Good job. So let's insert 5 there. And there's our answer, boys and girls. And this is what we call think addition to subtract. Okay? Now, good job. Now let's come here to this next screen, okay? Here we have another slide here. What number is this? 7. Good job. So 7 is there. You know 7 has to be here, okay? That has to be the answer for this addition equation. 7. What number is this? 2. And look, there are 2 stop signs here in this first rectangle. These 2 represent number 2 there. Now, we do not know the answer here because we do not have stop signs in here. We need to use this number line to figure out how many stop signs we need to put in here. Now, what number is this again? 2. So let's come back up here. Let's find 2, okay? Right here, number 2, okay? We found it. So this is the number we are going to start with. Now, what number are we going to stop at? 7, okay? We're going to stop at 7. So let's find 7. We're going to start at 2. Let's find 7. Right here is 7, okay? So this is the number we are going to stop at. Now, let's say this, okay? I am going to count by ones, okay? We're going to stop at number 7, okay? Right here. Now, count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we know how many stop signs we need to put in here. Your turn to count. Ready? Count by ones. Go. Good job. So how many stop signs do we need to put in here? 5. Good job. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So look at that. We now have 5 stop signs in the white rectangle. So now that we have 5 stop signs here, what number goes here? 5. Good job. So let's get 5. Let's insert 5 there. And that is our answer, boys and girls. Let's read the addition equation. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Let's read it again. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Okay? This 2 is these 2 stop signs. This 5 is these 5 stop signs. And when we add it up together, we're going to get 7, okay? Now, let's come here to our subtraction equation. What number goes here? 5. Good job, okay? This should look really familiar to you now, okay? Now, let's read it. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Let's read it again. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Now your turn to read it. Go. Good job, boys and girls. Now remember, today is going to be the last day we're going to do this, okay? If you forget this, rewind the videos and watch it again. Now, get a paper and pencil. Once you get your paper and pencil, boys and girls, look at your screen. This is your homework I want you to complete. I want you to copy down this title onto your paper. Once you copy that, I want you to draw this number line. Once you're done with that, I want you to draw your addition equation, and I want you to write your subtraction equation. I want you to draw these also. You don't have to draw exactly these. You can use circles if you want to, okay? Now, you're going to have to find out how many circles you are going to put here to get the answers here. Now, 0 is here, okay? This is not the answer. I put this here because I want you to figure this out yourself. You're going to use this number line to help you, okay? Remember, you start here, you stop here. Now, once you are done, put it in a folder because you are going to return this back on Friday. Now go ahead and continue on with your homework. Pause the screen right here because I'm going to log off here in a bit.